620 centimeters in feet? First of all, we need to know the value of 1 centimeter in feet. It's always 1 centimeter equals 0.0328083989 feet. Now we have to multiply 0.0328083989 by 620. Therefore, 620 centimeters times 0.0328083989 feet equals 20.34120739 feet. So, in other words, 620 centimeters equals 20.34120739 feet. We hope you have enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.